Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate. This is Simran Choudhary and you're watching Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with the free petrochemicals news show. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Bangalore-based Ravago Manufacturing India Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude futures edged higher last Friday as market players grew concerned about potential supply shortages from looming US sanctions on Iran. WTI traded at $67.59, a rise of 26 cents per barrel, while Brent finished at $77.62, a gain of 73 cents per barrel. According to Vandana of Vanda Insights, crude futures were rising early Monday in Asia, tracking the mood in the region's stock markets, which had opened mostly in the green. Though US sanctions against Iran kick off in a week, crude has lost a considerable amount of the fear premium injected into prices in recent months by concerns over a supply crunch. Expectations of a declaration of global oil demand growth amid slowing world economic growth are overshadowing any worries over tightening supply. Open Spec Naptha prices meanwhile edged lower by $2 per metric ton to the $636 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices plunged in Asia last week. Prices fell sharply on account of a week-on-week drop in upstream crude and naphtha values. Reports of plentiful product availability in the region, coupled with bearish downstream PE demand and pricing trends, supported the price drop. On Friday, CFR Northeast Asia prices were assessed lower at the $1,010 per metric ton levels, a tumble of $80 per metric ton from the previous week. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed down at the $930 per metric ton mark, a steep week-on-week drop of $70 per metric ton. Bearish upstream crude and naphtha values pulled propylene prices lower in Asia last week. Reports of sufficient product avails and weaker downstream PV demand and pricing trends supported the price fall. CFR China prices of propylene were lower at the $1,130 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week tumble of $45 per metric ton. FOB Korea prices of propylene were assessed down at the $1,100 per metric ton levels, a decline of $25 per metric ton from the previous week. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On October 29, 2018, LLDPE prices are higher by 25 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,285 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are up by 16 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,915 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are higher by 25 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,450 RMB per metric ton. In plan news, Korea Kumho Petrochemical Co has shut its 250,000 metric ton per year ABS plant located at Ulsan, South Korea on October 22, 2018. The plant is likely to restart early this week. Polymerupdate has introduced news and prices analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kind of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymerupdate. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Bangalore-based Ravago Manufacturing India Private Limited, a global specialist in reprocessing and compounding of PC, ABS, nylons, PP and POM. The company has recently started a manufacturing unit in Vadodara, India. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Monday, October 29th. This is Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.